Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to add persons. So if you want to add persons, first you need to download the objects in SketchUp 3D Warehouse. Okay, you can click on the search for contents and I will type into person, click search, and we have this a lot of options. Like as example, I will download this person. You can click this icon and then click SketchUp file. You write things and it be done to download, and you can go back into SketchUp, click on file menu, and then click import. Or you can choose the file and you can click import. Next, you can click on the drawing area. So that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to add person. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.